Here's how to record sales tax payment in QuickBooks. From your QuickBooks Online dashboard, go to the left-hand navigation menu and select Taxes. This opens the area where QuickBooks tracks tax activity for your business, including what is due and what has already been paid. Once you are there, open the Sales Tax section so you are looking at your sales tax agencies and balances. In the Sales Tax section, find the agency you are making the payment to and select it. If you work with more than one tax agency, take a moment here to make sure you open the correct one before moving forward. After you select the agency, review the sales tax amount due along with the tax period that applies to that payment. This is the point where you confirm that the payment you are about to enter matches the amount and filing period shown in QuickBooks. When you are ready, select Record Tax Payment. QuickBooks will open the payment entry screen for that sales tax agency. Start by entering the payment date. Use the date the payment was actually made so the record lines up with your bank activity and your tax reporting. Next, choose the bank account that was used to make the sales tax payment. This should be the same account the money came from. Selecting the correct bank account matters because it affects how the payment appears in your books and how it matches with your banking records later. After that, enter the payment amount. Make sure the amount matches the payment you made to the tax agency. If the amount differs from what is listed as due, review it before saving so the recorded payment reflects the correct transaction. With the date, bank account, and payment amount entered, review the payment details on the screen. Check that the tax agency, tax period, payment date, account, and amount all look correct. Once everything is confirmed, select Save and Close to record the payment. After saving, return to the sales tax page. Go back to the same area where you viewed the agency and amount due and verify that the payment has been recorded. You should be able to see that the payment is now reflected in the sales tax records for that agency, which confirms that QuickBooks has updated the balance based on the payment you entered. Thanks for watching. Your sales tax payment is now recorded in QuickBooks and reflected on the sales tax page.